In this video, I'll tell you how you can turn off Google AI Overview in basically every web browser. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. First, open your browser settings and find the search engine section. In Chrome, you can find it in the settings menu, but in other browsers the name may be slightly different. The important part is finding the list of search engines. Once you are there, add a new search engine. In the name field, you can type anything you want, for example Google AI disabled. In the shortcut field, type at web. Now you need to paste the correct search engine URL. You can find the exact text to copy and paste in the description of this video. After adding it, set Google AI disabled as your default search engine. From now on, when you search from the address bar, Google should open results without showing AI Overview at the top. If you want to be extra sure everything refreshes correctly, close your browser and open it again. That's pretty much the whole setup. It is a simple workaround, but if AI Overview keeps getting in your way, changing the default search engine like this can make normal Google searches feel much cleaner again. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.